Hey guys, good morning. Okay, today is the 17th of December 2025. So we'll be looking at our analysis for the day. And of course, if today is the first time you're coming across my videos, we do this every single day, dropping analysis on what we'll be looking at each single day as a day trader, not swing trader. Alright, that's it. Let's look at today's analysis on pound dollar. Of course, yesterday we marked our zones where we expected the market to get to. This is the recent high and and we say we can get a breakout above this and look for a buy. You can get below this, look for a sell to this next level. And of course, that didn't happen yesterday, and it's currently just happening right now with the 15 minutes candlestick. And I was actually there looking at the candle, a minor pullback, but to see if this market is going to continue moving. I'm expecting right now is just to get a pullback back to this zone, getting a rejection for me to think of going short down to this next level. So for now, we only got a large momentum bearish candlestick into the what's it called, the next below the next support, which can definitely get rejected and closing above it. But then let's see what happens. If you can get a bullish candle after the close of this bearish candle, get a bullish candle trying to get in, and they're getting rejected, they're followed by a bearish candle, then I think of going short, and this is going to be my next target. That's simple for the pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be the BTCUSD. And I'm sure you know BTC seems to be, I said it wasn't yesterday, yeah, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, that BTC seems to be a bit of confused right now. Let me use that word confused, in the sense that it's neither bullish nor bearish. This moment is looking bullish, and the next moment is looking bearish. So I actually say yesterday, if possible, stay out of what is it called, BTC, and you can see everything it did throughout yesterday. It seems to be totally indecisive. You can never say this is a bullish, and you can't say it's bearish at the same time. Why? Because if you look at it, you can see this bearish candlestick going far below the recent support. They actually expecting a retest of this zone, then a continue, but just do said, I think this is what it was yesterday. I said, if you can get a retest of this zone, then we can think of going short on this. They can see the market moving more like a ranging market to the upper part of the market. So definitely, I'm not going to call this a bullish. For me, I'm not going to call this a bullish trend yet. Why? Because overall, this market is not really still moving, it's still totally indecisive. So I'll just say, let me go back for the H44 to see if I actually see any nice setup for us to look at. So let me just delete all this to get a cleaner chart. Okay, I think this zone is already taken out already. So we'll be marking out our recent. Okay, so we'll be marking this as a recent high, then this as a recent low, with the market be respecting. Here is a better option for us for today. So let's see what the market does. If it gets above this or then below this, that will be a better option for us. So on BTCUSD, we're actually expecting something like this. A test of the then think of going short, or if that does not happen, we can get a break above this zone, then retesting this, then think of going long. So this is for our BTCUSD, which is Bitcoin. So you got the final one, which is going to be gold. And of course, next we'll be dropping for synthetic trades. So please and please do well to check out the synthetic trade, because that will be available 247 even during the days. And remember, no fundamental required for that, just pure tech. And I think at the end of today, I will be checking out today's fundamentals for BTC. Sorry for normal trade. So let's just check out the fundamentals for today using Forex Factory to confirm if we have any fundamentals. So while that is loading, let's go back to gold analysis. Okay, on gold analysis, you can currently see that the market is currently seems to be moving on the bullish side. About getting to our zone, we actually expect the market to retest going long on that. You can see around here, we actually say we expect this market actually break this and retesting this for us to go long on that. But currently, it has not really done that. So let's still, we are still going to be waiting for the market's reaction once it gets to that level. So let me take it back to the H1. So you can see a clearer chart of the market and what really we are looking at. So this was our recent high, or not even what is still currently our recent high. So we are still expecting this for a retest of that, or then we can get up below this for a long time bullish trend. Otherwise, you just have to wait till for the market to do whatever I want to do, either above this or below this. That said, so currently on BTC on gold, I'm just going to be waiting for the market reaction. Okay, but I think let's check the thing, like you can actually see any change of structure telling us the market is likely to come back down to this level, or if you can get that, that would be a nice time for us to sell that as a what's it called, as a scalping trade, not really a day trade. That would be for scalping and not really particularly for day trading. Okay, I think let's go back to Forex Factory. Let's see if it's actually available right now. Yeah, it's actually available. Okay, as you can see, there's no major news coming up anytime soon. The only major news we're having today is on pound dollars, which is a CPI on pound dollar. Most times it has already happened, so this is already 8 a.m. Nigerian time, so you can see that's already taking place. So definitely the next we'll be expecting to have a major impact news is going to be on New Zealand dollar, which is going by 10:45 p.m. Nigerian time, which is West African time. So that means for today, we don't really have any major fundamental to disrupt our trade or analysis. But remember, anything can still happen on trade. So for gold, I said earlier, you just be expecting a break above this and a test of this for us to go long, or a break below this, a test of this for us to go short. Okay, so that's going to be end of season analysis on gold, on pound dollar, and of course on BTC. Please, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead, and please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day.